Jamie.
We also do the SpongeBob.
I don't like the yellow one though.
Someone has the blue and the yellow. Either Junior or
Oh, really? Where did you
or
see it?
Patrick.
Where did you see that?
I've seen them. I've seen this. So you don't like the yellow? I don't like the blue one. You okay with it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna okay, okay?
Okay. Come on, Jamie, let's go.
Do we need to buy all this stuff?
I don't know why we buy the dart set.
How about you want to play it, no?
Does Pum Pum want to buy it?
What about this thing?
He's not gonna play with it. I know him.
What about the bowling set?
Yeah, he'll play with that.